Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. So in this class we'll be learning how to download Scratch 3 for your desktop. That's, you go to your web browser, you go to your Chrome, or you can go to your Mozilla Firefox, or you go to your Opera Mini. You go to just any of your web browser that you're using, then you type here or here and you type for Scratch 3. You can see here, I click on this because I've typed it before. Then this is the online version, the one you can use online. You don't have to download this. Then this, you can either go to your Microsoft Store or you download it on your web browser. So there are those are the two different ways you can download Scratch 3. So when you click on your Microsoft Store, you can see Scratch 3. Then when you click on it, immediately it starts downloading. So when you click on it, it starts downloading, or you can also view it in store. But I have it already, so I'm going to, so you can see this. So once you click on this, it automatically take you to the store. It automatically take you to Microsoft Store and to tell you retrieving information. So right now you're already downloading Scratch 3 from your Microsoft Store. So the next one, let's try the second option we have, which is downloading it directly from your web browser. So that means if you're not able to download it from the Microsoft Store, you can also download it from your web browser. So you click on this particular free version, then you can see it brings this interface. Just scroll down a little, then you can see free download for your PC. Then you click on it. Then once you click on it, just allow it to load. Then it's also going to take probably a few minutes. Then once it's ready, you're also going to see the file here. So it's saying your download has started. You can see. So we can also see that this is the MIT Scratch installer, the one we downloaded from. So this is the one we downloaded from the web page. So once you have this MIT installer, just click on this open. So once you click on the open part, once you are done downloading, when you click on your download icon, it's going to bring you here. So you click on the installer. So now we want to install the software. We are done downloading it, we want to install the software. So we can see it's still taking time to install. Then this might take about a minute or two. But once the installation is done, the next thing you are going to see is to open your Scratch application, and then we are done with the downloading and installing. So make sure that when you are done downloading, you ensure to install. Installing it is the most important part. If you don't install it, you just have the installer package, but you are not installing it yet. So always make sure when you are done downloading, you install. So installing is just clicking on the download product and you have it. So here it's going to click on run. Thank you for downloading Scratch. Click run to execute your file. So we click to run. But I already have Scratch on my system, so it's just going to bring the interface. So it's going to ask you, do you want Scratch to use on this? So it asks, do you want anyone who uses this computer, all user, for me alone? So you can use anyone who uses this computer. So you install this. So it's still saying, please wait while your Scratch 3 is being installed. So after the installing, you are going to see this interface. So you just click on finished. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to the Scratch interface, and there we have our Scratch interface.